Foam protection seems simple until your loadout changes.
You get foam, you Sharpie it out, you cut it. As soon as you cut foam, you're literally throwing 40% of what you just paid for in the garbage. And then you're stuck to that one single layout and you have no versatility. So you change an optic, you change equipment, your foam goes away, you have to buy new foam. Not only are you taking up more space in the case because you have to have a solid base layer and a solid top layer of foam, but you're also then cutting out the middle and you're only allowing yourself to have one layer of gear, maybe two.
The KOR Protection System is a reusable packing solution that uses vacuum-rigidizing panels to mold around your gear and lock it in place for transport.
With KOR, you can layer the system. You can increase the interior load capacity of your case without sacrificing protection. By the time you get through 3 layouts of custom cut foam or cutting foam yourself, you're at the same price or cost of one KOR system that you can use for infinitely longer and a much longer lifespan.
KOR panels are built to resist contaminants such as oil, sand, COP, and salt water. If these contaminants get into foam, they stay there forever, making your foam obsolete.
One of the differences between KOR and traditional foam is KOR is actually recyclable. If it does end up in a landfill, it'll only be there for about 20 to 30 years before it decomposes. PU foam is 500 to 1,000 years in a landfill. What KOR offers you is infinite customization, the ultimate protection solution, and an ease of use in retrofitting your existing case without having to worry about constant foam and keeping track of all the different layouts you have.
That is KOR. Watch the next video in this series, or watch the main demo for the full walkthrough, and click to subscribe.